Hello friends, welcome back again this channel. Today we are going to cover data types in SQL. As you know, SQL is all means data, and to understand the types of the data, it makes us very important how we are going to use data and which type of data we are going to route. Let's see. If I talk about the data types, so mainly you will see the three types of data, right? You will see the date and time and hours are the data. You will see the integer type of data. Integer means the numeric type of data that can be decimal and plus and rounding off. And third and last, you will see the character types of data. I don't think other than that you will see any type of data because character, date and time and hours and the integer with include decimal also, right? So mainly we are going to use three types of data. And before you can say that we have created the data frame, right? Now we have to input the data in the data frame. So before giving any input into any data frame, we have to define the data types which can be entered in a column. It's simple, means the system is not aware what type of data you are going to give there, right? So you have to define your data types before you enter any data in a column or row. So here we are seeing three types of data. I can see date, I can see integer, I can see character. And we have some limitation also, right? It's not like that I have given my data type up to a column and this will flow like a work, right? No, no, no. There are many limitations and we will see this in next slide. If I talk about only numeric data type, so I can see simplified types of numeric data types here and their range. If I talk about the big int, means big integer data, it's it's in millions, right? From minus to plus, I can enter my data types here. If I talk about second is only int, so I can enter approx it's a 214 crore to minus and plus, right? It's a range limit. So if I define my data type like int, right? If I define my data type as a small int, then the limit will limit it to minus 32,768 to 32,767 plus. If I define my data type as a tiny int, it's from 0 to 255. And if I define my data types as a decimal, small and tails, so this is limited to minus plus 38 till 38 point rounding off, right? In a SQL server, the default maximum precision of the numeric and decimal data type is 38. If we talk about the character types of data, character means any name where you are using words from A to Z, right? My name, Sanjeev, Sanjeev. So there I can see Sanjeev, 7 words, right? So in the same manner, we have to define our data type. It's if I define char with the numbers in S means numbers. If I define char with the 10, then this will accept the character till 10 character only, right? If I define vacha as this will also define till 255 characters. And if I define text, that's a maximum limit 65, 535 characters. We can increase also. Let's see, let's cover two questions here, which I found very important. What is the maximum varchar or char size? Right? The char and varchar columns can store up to 8,000 bytes. If a single byte character set is used, up to the 8,000 character I can store in the char and varchar column. If a multi-byte collection is used, the maximum number of the characters that a varchar or char can store will be less than 8,000. Okay, guys? If we see the second question, how do I store more than 8,000 characters in SQL? If the length of X of your string is below 4,000 characters, a string will be transformed to one n varchar X. If a length is between 4,000 to 8,000, then I will use varchar Y. If the length is more than 8,000 characters, then I will use and what's a maximum which I can use up to 2 GB, right? If I talk about the third types of the character, data, it's a date and time. If I give the my date type is a date only, then I can store the date in the same YYYYMMDD format, right? If I give the data type it's a time, so this will store the data as a HH, minute and seconds. If I give only year, this will digit 4 digit of the years. And guys, this is something you have to notice here. If I give the date as a data type, so the default value where the date will be shown there YYMMDD only, right? This cannot be DDMMYY and MMDDYY. We have to use some other formula also to pick from the month from that format and year from that format and days from that format, right? So from date data type we will got only this format data, right? Hope this is all clear. Thank you so much. I tried my best to cover all the data types here. If